Chief Minister Biren inaugurates an archaeological museum at Kangla Fort, opens battery-operated vehicle services for visitors at Kangla Fort from today. Stabilization work for Imphal River Bank yet to begin. Additional Chief Engineer of Water Resources says no adequate budget in the state's plan. Volunteers of AMSU stormed Chief Minister's bungalow demanding appointment for the post of Deputy Director of TRI to the successful candidate in the entrance test for the post. And the 31st Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2017 concludes today. MLA Rameshwar laments wasting of state's talented due to abusing of drugs. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has inaugurated an archaeological museum and a battery-operated vehicle service for visitors at Kangla Fort today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren expressed a need to shift the helipad from the historical significant area inside Kangla Fort where Sagol Kangche was played during the reign of King Kiampa. Chief Minister Biren on board the battery-operated vehicles launched by officers of the State Archaeology Kangla Fort Board along with Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam and many MLAs inspected the Kangla. The vehicles are operated by women as a part of women empowerment. Chief Minister raised the curtain and inaugurated the museum after inspecting the fort.
Aduguma ahanjing Kangladi uningba differently able peoples. Kangladi sangingba kita sengi kaina khanjaba mayam sanglinga sangbangam do mayam do gari da pujaraga si orokanda akoina gari car masa sa tonga koi ka se helipad orisi 1813 da King Kiamba na Sagol Kangri sanarma jaga ne adudi asigi helipad si jaga ma do hongtoga asi King Kiamba gi asi koi Sagol Kangri jo koi degi hoguni asi ari bagi claim tongnari bi marak se koina preserve togoda.
Additional Chief Engineer of Water Resources K.H.S. Pritham has asserted that even if the bank of Imphal River in different areas are in terrible situation, no step can be taken as there is no adequate budget in the state's plan. Officials of the department along with MLAs of Wangoi and Mayang Imphal constituencies inspected banks of Imphal rivers in areas under the two constituencies today. A 70-meter stretch of Imphal River bank at Oinam Sawombung Riaz Khan area in Wangoi constituency was found to be breaching during the inspection, while some part of the Imphal River bank at Wangoi Khaidem Amangleka and Mutum Pibo Krok Laubi were also found to be breaching. Imphal River bank at Chirai, Kodrak, Komlakhong, Kongchak, Uchiwan, Wangban, Sekmaijin, Pawat Chau area in Mayang Imphal constituencies were also found to be in a terrible condition. The riverbank can cause drastic danger if the water level rises. Additional Chief Engineer K.S.H. Pritham said Central Water Commission has been consulted to bring about a solution to flood condition in the northeastern regions, especially Manipur. Responding to Impact News on if the solution will be effective if next year's rainy season, Pritham said it will not be ready by next year's rainy season. However, higher authority will be consulted to repair the river banks.
State resources in-depth study di khara matam di khara logine koi Central Water Commission ka tanaraga moijo sigi matangda moijo expert kangmu ma taraga moijo thisin ma horani state ki jo koi expert khara le tanaraga state ki views pi gine ba ko mayam se combine tongraga koi long term policy kari togdage masi ai nangbudi nangroi nangjigi marak sida koi kari toya ge ja soi ji jaga khudingi na any turel chema jaga se Manipur ki jaga khudimo sok da bamde yaudre masi koi higher authority ka taraga short term da kai to ya we da koi amda khane jagi koi ki state plan da koi paisa ji yaudda bai dar aduna paisa yaudda mina koi na any construction ho bu ngam da ba.
Speaking at the sidelines of the inspection, Wangwe MLA Olukoi said it is unfortunate that people are concerned about the condition of the riverbank only during the rainy season. He said that there is an apprehension of more risky flood situation in the future if the condition of the bank of rivers are not repaired before the rainy season. Mayang Imphal MLA Robin Rose said steps will be taken to repair the riverbanks in consultation with the government.
Nongju dringay nongju thasi lak dringay khoisi adum parei de lechan modong tawi nga ki chatpa yarim na haidana nong hek churaga di sing khitang chagu de khoi tumpham chabung khangdi masi pamengi maikei degi lokhot pa yaba lokhot pinana ba ai apil tawjari masi ai khatagi su oiram ete tei imfan turen na chaigo na lairi ba nak yeta tari ba mayam sing si loi chumai torong ga drain khali state government na masi hana mangjo na masi gi preventive measure ji lahog dragadi hantaki kai gi budu dagi masing yamne hena ising si kai ba yabagi kudong thiba si nangadra haibasi mase ai chum turen si ga saigo na lekboi thengna ko experience to nei na thamjari si
after flood effect khoi thai blaze na ising thado kan da hojik river bank da leriba khoi sorok namthagi ba sigi everywhere khoi jaga khodimakta han ising chawgi bagi hojik kari kari taw yawga da ge na khoi rainy season laktring isi da department na kari kari tawraga government side ke khoi na kai taw yabno haibdo khoi inspection se da bani.
Students under the initiative of All Manipur Students Union AMSU stormed the Chief Minister's bungalow, alleging the state government of suppressing the rights of a candidate who have successfully cleared an entrance test for the post of Deputy Director at the Tribal Research Institute by trying to appoint another candidate for the said post. The candidate who have passed the entrance test called by Manipur Public Service Commission in 2013 for the recruitment of Deputy Director, Tribal Research Institute is Ngasekpam Pikeshwar. However, the state government has not given him the appointment for the post till date. The students proceeded for the Chief Minister's bungalow after holding a sit-in protest at Kashampat, Lairen, Bisanglan. The students fought the police personnel who tried to stop them and proceeded towards the CM's bungalow. Scuffles broke out as the students and police personnel strongly opposed each other. Later, some representatives along with AMSU president were allowed to meet the Chief Minister. Speaking at the sidelines, Vice President of AMSU, Peter Lystrom, expressed shock at the government for trying to make arrangements to give the post to a tribal candidate called Gaikasin Ramai instead of Pikeshwar. He questioned the agenda behind such action. He demanded the state government to look into the matter and appoint Pikeshwar for the post of Deputy Director at the earliest. He urged the state government espousing anti-corruption by even opening up an anti-corruption cell to stop such unfair act. Peter warned of intense agitations if the demands are not met at the earliest.
Asuk kuina democratic oina government sida koina changchan jarakpa khongjang asida emsuna mide ngambok chang taba duga emsuna tawriba thaba khudimak sida government side tagi pakhum mo pirak taba habsi kam laibak thibani aduna emsuna democratic oiba mongsa sangjan basi yaktragadi yaktrabani na government na invite tokjabani na lawraga koina makhal makha taba agitation akanba mayam changsalake habsi emsuna semsaba loire khongjang mayam changsalakpagi daita punamoksu afawata daita punamoksu government apugadamni haina emsuna thamli.
The 64th All India Cooperative Week Celebration 2017 under the theme Empowering People Through Digitalization of Cooperatives concluded today. The observation, jointly organized by Institute of Cooperative Management and Manipur State Cooperative Society on the topic Cooperatives as Key Partner for Skill Development, kicked off on November 14 on ICM Imphal campus. Speaking on the occasion, Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen said cooperatives are the right choice of self-employment which boost the economy of the state. She said 9,148 cooperative societies with total membership of 7,26,671 were registered in 2016-17. Societies in agriculture, dairy, fisheries, livestock, handlooms and handicraft sectors, etc. have paved way for economic empowerment to the members. Nemcha said members of the societies should acquire skills in their respective fields to contribute towards making cooperatives a successful movement. She said the societies require skilled workforce for improved performance and appeal to all concerned to identify the skills needed by the cooperatives to improve the quality of services and products. She also appealed to cooperative societies to explore and use facilities under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and other flagship skill development programs being implemented by centre and state government. The minister also hoisted the state's 7-coloured flag on the occasion. Prizes were distributed to best performing cooperative societies for the year and student toppers of ICM. Pungyar MLA K. Laishio and Principal Secretary Corporation IAS JC Ramthanga were among those present on the occasion.
So as to enable to improve the economic and social status of the members. This society needs a skilled workforce for increasing their performance. The members and employees should acquire the skill in their respective fields to contribute toward making cooperative or successful movement.
Regional Tasar Research Station under the aegis of the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India organized an exhibition called Tasar Krishi Mela at the research station's hall in Mantri Pokri today. Speaking as a chief guest, Parliamentary Secretary of Agriculture and Works, Government of Manipur, Awangbao Nyumai appreciated the handlooms, clothes produced by farmers and self-help groups under Regional Tasar Research Station, which are in high demand in the markets. He asserted that a state's income can be enhanced to a great extent if the government paid due consideration in these fields. Awangbao Nyumai also disclosed that Chief Minister Birain, who also holds a Agriculture Minister portfolio, has a great desire to give more focus into this sector. He emphasized the need for adequate raw materials to make the products available in abundance, which is in high demand not only in India but even abroad. Various skilled women materials were on a display at 15 different stalls at the exhibition.
Farmers sing natragana khoge sil puthok liba self-help group individual miyambo mateng khra piraga natragana department government side ge miyang khra changaga akhoi se promote tona ba honaradi state sigi business natraga khoge income yam achauba oigini habise ngasi ge exhibition da ubu phangi khoi honorable chief minister sumasa mak se sigi agriculture ge concern minister oina sigi field da akhoi concentration kara yamna tawraga Manipur state asi not only India da outside for khoi supply to viana ba adugumba khoi hona si ha bise khoi ge honorable chief minister ge wakhan mak to sulai.
For the first time in the entire northeastern states, an organic outlet has been opened in Manipur. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thongnawjam Shyam Kumar inaugurated the organic outlet, which is the part of the projects undertaken by Agriculture and Horticulture Department, Manipur, under the Mission Organic Value Chain Development of Northeastern Region scheme at Horticulture Department Complex in Sanjinthong today. Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MOMA, and the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation organized the launch of the organic outlet. Speaking at the event, Minister Shyam Kumar assured Manipur of becoming an organic state in a couple of years with the awareness and interest shown by the present youth regarding the importance and benefits of organic products. Shyam Kumar asserted there is hardly any difference in price between organic and non-organic products and urged the people to consume organic foods for good health. He further welcomed to conduct any tests if there is any doubt as to whether the products sold at the outlet are organic or not.
Sada 60-70% ko mai pak pa hore adanga sidi pharmacy na production ji puthok pa hodna kuna state government na sida ko na hana political department na sida ko already mangi yon ba howe na sina media thongda I appeal to the people of Manipur, please come and buy these organics vegetables from organics saba ya por khaina nalada yole khongo ko bana acid yole habdo ngaside koina sangai gi wande heta koina saba ya por khai ko acid banung da yole ha chi total organic na tab habdo adu kana mi amtana ko taste to bi yani different adu di si mafam aya ma loina ko gi government gi side gi department support pi masa na ji laila su haiba ko gi na mayam thola bani na ko mo na ko gi private farm mayam to ko si ta hogol eba adu masi production di walo adu at least sahi amani ma si total Manipur si organic state ma
Concerted efforts of Assam Rifles and Chandel Police, along with the support of civil society organizations and community leaders of Chandel, resulted in the apprehension of the two perpetrators of the deadly IED blast at Mahamani village of Chandalt on 13 November 2017. The heinous act for which responsibility was claimed by the proscribed insurgent group PLA-RPF resulted in utter shock and anguish in the residents of the area. With the relentless joint efforts of 18 Assam Rifles, Chandal police and local residents, the two individuals who executed the blast have been nabbed and are presently in police custody. Both have confessed to their crimes. Items used to execute the said action have also been seized. Government Dance College, earlier known as Shri Shri Govindaji Nartanalaya, celebrated its 63rd anniversary today. Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur organized the event at the college palace gate. Floral tributes were offered at the portrait of the deceased renowned individuals who have promoted Manipuri dances to mark the day. Students of the college performed a choreography entitled Duti Sambat and Mangal Duda at the event. Padma Shri Awardee as Thanil and retired principal of the dance college, Ranjit Adhikari Mayum, were among those present at the event. Two-day seminar on the theme, the repercussions of conflict management, state of pandemonium and academic uncertainty, kicked off at the seminar hall of Escula Women College, Nambol today. Human Rights Studies Center, Escula Women College and Social Welfare Development Center, Imphal, has organized a seminar which is sponsored by UGC. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra, inaugurated the seminar, attended by 83 participants, including delegates from outside the state. Organizing member of the seminar, Dr. L. Mohindro, said the seminar aims to identify appropriate mechanism for teaching students in conflict situation. Compendium in connection with the event was also released at the event.
Hauzik lairiba tangdu laitadaba phibam asina oirakliba academic atmosphere da sohalliba mayam asi yengjarakanda karamba mechanism ama puthoakanda ekhoi academic atmosphere se tangdu laitana laik tamba yagadage conflict situation sidi ekhoi dum thengnagadaba leirabanina masigi thengnariba marak asida academic atmosphere da effect handaba policy ma puthokpa ngamgadra haidna khanjaduna ekhoi tongan ba discourse mayam tawduna panel speaker taraga humdoina tongan ba north eastern dagi lakpa delegates mayam chingsiga loinana discuss tawmina duna ekhoi chap chaba recommendation ama concern authority ta pisin janabagi damakta pangthok chaba seminar.
It's time for a small commercial break. We bring you details regarding the meeting organized by Directorate of Extension Education, Central Agricultural University, with an aim to deploy the strategies of ICAR initiated program called Farmer First. After the break, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. With an aim to deploy the strategies of ICAR initiated program called Farmer First into the state, a meeting was organized by Directorate of Extension Education, Central Agricultural University, Lamphel at the conference hall of the College of Agriculture University, CAU Imphal today. The meeting was participated by University Advisory Committee and Site Plant Implementation Group. Speaking at the sidelines, Vice Chancellor of CAU, Professor M. Premjit, said the program aims to enhance farmer-scientist interface and help in increasing the farmers' income. He said that the income of the state will not increase by crop farming alone, but it is important to bring back the traditional integrated farming approach to raise the income. Micro-irrigation, sprinkler heads and power tiller were handed to farmers at the event.
Mamalagadi in Kolamalagadi, Pukrito, Ngayokpa, Akoibeda, Nasagi, Karigum Manama Sinkaratava, Aduga, Akoigi, Yanakada, Karigumba, Akoigi, Yen Jokpa, Nasagi, Wok Loiba, Kangde, Amakangde, Natraga Koi Loiba, Adutaraga, integrated farming system, Motalaga, Akoi University, scientists, my am sanction, scientific way, the Queen Sanction Laga, Akoi family based. Natragana small scale integrated farming system se akoina khongang the pura kan da akoigi Manipur da akoi farmer gi income se sahi manga gi manung da double when ge haiba gi akoigi wakal on the sanction badu kuma project aman.
Works Minister Tej Biswajit conveyed a meeting with Works Commissioner K. Radha Kumar, Chief Engineer K. H. Temba and engineers of various departments in connection with the Sangai Festival at the Ministers' Conference held in New Secretariat this afternoon. The meeting issued a stern order to Fire Service Department to complete all works using water tender at Raj Bhavan, Sanjainthong, Palace Gate, Lamboi Khongnang Khong, Sendra, National Highway, Airport Road by this evening. The 31st Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2017, which began on November 18, concluded today. Best Discipline Team of the festival went to Don Bosco College, Maram, and the Best Cultural Possession Team went to GP Women's College. The closing event of the festival was organized by Manipur University Cultural Committee at the Centenary Hall of MU. Speaking as Chief Guest, MLA of Kairao Assembly Constituency, L. Rameshwar said, Manipur's youth are very talented. However, many youths are also getting wasted due to abusing of drugs. He opined that the state would progress if we cultivate work culture and give up intoxicants. Speaking at the event, Dean of Manipur University Students Welfare Professor K. H. Tomba called for changes in the education policy of Manipur and urged for professionalism in our work culture. He stressed that lack of professionalism is due to lack of skills and adequate infrastructures. He asserted when every politician owns up to their responsibilities, the state will have developmental changes.
However, drug and medicine thadobadi ko usingje ko thengnabada ko India da thodopa no boina kale hiram ko dimokta sports culture da sumati ko mangin dai Delhi da bangthok kiba youth festival amad knowledge calling da soga jori ari da ko Manipur gi akoi kai da culture event tholong matan mayam ngai na baidar iste singina amam ta gutpa ko Manipur gi na item maklan ule mayam na yam na kana ta yam pam na ba akoi gi ko wa culture kitang leitabaga nisha da kitang la chu bo thadobadi akoi je Manipur amadi da sakhat pada yam chaw ko Manipur musajina ai dai da lokna ha ai thajabani.
All Manipur Handicapped Persons Welfare Association observed its 8th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking as chief guest, MLA of Naryapa Kanglakpa constituency, S. Subhash Chandra, opined that love is the greatest religion of all. He also lauded Chief Minister Biren's initiative for providing monthly pension of Rs 1,500 to differently abled persons of Manipur from December 3rd. The association presented Mayang Abeir Singson Mana to craftsman Tej Birbal and also donated a wheelchair to Manipur Press Club on the occasion.
Koi kunci sana nada keno to kena koi kita kaina ini uri memang sih lambi sida koi sunna sedana amaga nusi sana na lemina santi leina amaga mati pangna na koi punama tani hai bagi minami wakil londe dai koi punna santi.
The 2 days national seminar on libraries in search of academic excellence making sustainable in digital age, which began yesterday as a part of the National Library Week 2017, concluded today. Manipur Library Association, in collaboration with Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata, and Department of Art and Culture, Manipur organized the event at the auditorium of State Central Library. Certificates were distributed to participants of the seminar on the concluding day today. The attendees also took a resolution to submit a 5-point memorandum, including implementation of Manipur Public Library Act 1988 at the earliest to the state government. Department of Library and Information Science, Manipur University held its closing program of National Library Week in the conference hall of the Department in Social Science New Block today. During the National Library Week observance, the department visited schools in various districts to bring awareness on the significance of libraries in the modern time. First woman proctor of Manipur University, Professor Sumitra Panchobam, the department staff and students were among those present at the closing program. State Council of Educational Research and Training launched a 30 days long professional development program entitled Yoga for Lecture Diet at SCERT Hall in Lamphilpat today. 30 teachers from 9 districts Institute of Education and Training Diet are taking part at the program. Speaking at the sidelines of the program, OSD of SCERT, Dr. Y. Nandina said, the program is being conducted so that students can be provided with the various mental and physical benefits of practicing yoga. Additional State Project Director of SSA T. Pullen, Joint Director of SCERT Jim Golden, Textbook Officer of SCERT S. Nalini were among those present at the program. Any Brothers Entertainment's Private Limited, sponsored by the Tourism Department, Government of Manipur, launched a second international art camp which will continue till November 25th at Hotel Imphal, North AOC today. Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jendakumar launched the art camp as a chief guest. Altogether, 27 artists coming from other states of India, Russia, Korea, Egypt, Turkey, Haiti, including 7 from Manipur, are participating at the camp. Universal Mothers Organization UMO celebrated its 17th Foundation Day today. Like every year, Universal Mothers Organization UMO organized Chakno Langba of Ima Tampa Wangmalon at Lamboy Kongnangkong Mela Ground, Awang. President of UMO Ima Sarojini felicitated members of Universal Mothers Organization on the occasion. The deplorable condition of Imphal to Saikum Road under Kundrakpam constituencies is posing threats to the lives of the people. The condition of the road deteriorated after the recent flood condition in Manipur. Kundrakpam Kendra Youth Organization appealed to the authority concerned to repair the road before December 15th. Myanmar's delegates have left Moreh for Imphal to participate in Manipur Sangai Festival 2017. The Myanmar's team of 6 members, including 2 women, were accorded a warm welcome by President of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce Tamu Ulha Muang near the Iron Bridge of Indo-Myanmar border this morning. SDPO Commando Moreh Police Krishna Tombi, OC of Moreh Police Station H. Chauba, and members of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce Moreh were among those present at the reception. The Myanmar's team then produced necessary documents at the Immigration Office in India's Land Custom Office building and left for Imphal around 11 this morning.
My name is Auni UN. I'm the member of the RBTCC, and this is my second time to the Sangai Festival. My first time is, I think, around 2015, and this is my second time. I'm very pleased to go to the Sangai Festival with my presidents and my member, my EC.
My name is Lamao from Border Trade Chamber of Commerce Tamu. I'm the president. Also the Central Executive Committee member of the UMFCCI. I have visited to 7 times Sangai Festival. Very good. Sangai Festival, very good, very present, very Manipur State, very big area. I like.
Manipuri Students Federation MSF District Committee Jiribam organized a sit-in protest against the transfer of 8 teachers from Jiribam Government Higher Secondary and Borobekra Government Higher Secondary School. Speaking at the sidelines, President of MSF District Committee Jiribam A. Rajiv Meite condemned the recent transfer of 5 teachers from Jiribam Higher Secondary School and 3 teachers from Borobekra Government Higher Secondary School. He warned of intense agitations along with civil society organizations and various other organizations if the transfer order is not nullified by November 25th. It may be mentioned that as per an order issued by Joint Secretary of Education S. L. Nandakumar towards the end of 2017 session on November 10th, transfer of 86 government schools teachers is causing grievous inconveniences to the students in the government schools. All Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturers Welfare Association AMGHSLWA has also urged for the transfer orders to be revoked. And now the sports news. As a part of Manipur Sangay Festival 2017, the third international Kang tournament and conference kicked off at Manipur Kang Shangkuman Lampak today. Manipur Kang Association, under the aegis of the Arts and Culture, Tourism and Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry, has organized the Kang tournament, which will be participated by men and women Kang players from Bangladesh, Jutipam, Hailakandi, Hojai, Kasar, host Manipur, and men Kang players from Myanmar. In the first friendly match of the tournament played today, Thangjing Kangkut and Marjing Kangkut played against each other. Health Minister L. Jentokumar, Yash Minister Late Pao Haukip, Director of Yash IAS, and Pravin, and well-known members of the association were among those present in the opening day of the tournament.
It is very ridiculous, and rather, it is the humiliation of the wisdom of our forefathers.
Morocco polo team which will take part in the 11th Manipur Polo International Tournament to be held from 22nd of this month as a part of the Sangay Festival 2017 has arrived in Imphal yesterday. Officials of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association accorded a warm welcome to the team at Mapal Kangjaipung. Argentina and United States of America's polo team has arrived in Imphal this afternoon. Players of All Manipur Polo Association AMPA showcased a polo exhibition match on the second day of Namami Barak Festival yesterday. Two teams of AMPA, Barak and Sangay played a match at the festival, which kicked off on November 18 at Silchar, Assam. Barak team beat Sangay team 6-4 in the match. Speaking to media persons, President of AMPA, Konsam Sarat Chandra, said Silchar is the gateway of modern polo. He said the British established the first international level polo club named Kasad Kangjai Club in 1859 at Silchar. FC Goa has beat Chennai in FC at the ongoing 4th edition Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament. In a match played yesterday at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, FC Goa beat Chennai in FC 3-2. While in another league match played yesterday, two-times winner of the league, Bengaluru FC routed Mumbai City FC 2-0. For Bengaluru FC, Idu Garcia netted one goal in the 67th minute and Sunil Chetri netted another goal in the 90+3 minute. Pune City and Delhi Dynamos will face each other in a league match at 3:30 in the afternoon on November 22. Pounam Lily Janu, who has bagged a silver medal for the first time in India's history in the compound team event of the World Archery Championship, is undergoing stern practice for participating in the Asian Games. Pounam Lily Janu is the daughter of the late P. Sham Kishore and Pounam Thoibisana from Soyam Lerak under Patsoi constituency. Pounam Lily, along with Jyoti and Tricha, won a silver medal in the compound team event of the World Archery Championship held from October 15 to 22nd, 2017 in Mexico. She was positioned 8th in the individual event. She has been coach at Sai Tackle coaches G. Gunisana and C.H. Santos since 2003. She has participated in the 24th Archery Championships held at the international level and has won 3 gold medals, 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medals so far.
Equipment se am tange 2.5 lakhs piraga equipment set loina phange ai hamba bol leba da so khui baba di leitre khui baba gi pension book tun banto thamaga leijare yam wan haujare aduga 2016 da aina world cup final da individual nupi gi india gi na hamba selection phangbane aduda khoi gi director Sai Francis na khulai laibire du de am harawe du akhoi gi khulai se sahi yam bada ani book sanaya natra de akhoi sahi khuding latest both hole aina government haini sina ai du yam sanajare medals taruk lore ado ai gi job ama pibi radi yam harau ni khale job yam pamagi wasunate khitang dor so ai gi mateng oina ba haina haininge equipment se yam tange 2.5.
The bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren inaugurates an archaeological museum at Kangla Fort, opens battery-operated vehicle services for visitors at Kangla Fort from today. Stabilization work for Imphal River Bank yet to begin. Additional Chief Engineer of Water Resources says no adequate budget in the state's plan. Volunteers of AMSU stormed Chief Minister's bungalow demanding appointment for the post of Deputy Director of TRI to the successful candidate in the entrance test for the post. And the 31st Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2017 concludes today. MLA Rameshwar laments wasting of state's talent youths due to abusing of drugs.